Welcome to the HRCA 2025 Math Quiz Practice Session. In this video, we'll help you unlock your success and pass with confidence. Let's start with a division problem. If we divide 4,200 by 10, we simply move the decimal point one place to the left, resulting in 420.0. Next, we have a time calculation problem. Sarah can run 4 kilometers in 20 minutes. To find out how long it will take her to run 7 kilometers, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Now, let's tackle a multiplication problem. To find the product of 3,156 and 24, we break down the multiplication into simpler steps. Moving on to ratio division. When 180 rupees is divided in the ratio 3:5 to 7, we calculate the smallest portion by finding the value of one part. Here's a work and time problem. If 6 workers can build a wall in 8 days, we need to find out how many days it will take for 3 workers to complete the same task. Let's solve a division problem. To divide 27,664 by 16, we use long division to find the quotient and remainder. Understanding HCF and number types. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest number that divides both of them. Next, we find the HCF of 48 and 72. We list the factors of both numbers and identify the highest common factor. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 150 degrees? We use the formula for the measure of each interior angle to solve this. Let's dive into proportions. A proportion is an equation that states that two ratios or rates are equivalent. Here are some examples to illustrate the concept of proportions. We can verify if two ratios are equivalent using cross multiplication. In direct proportion, when one quantity increases, the other quantity will also increase. This relationship is represented by the equation y equals kx. Two quantities are in direct proportion if they increase or decrease together in such a way that their ratio remains constant. If one part of sugar requires 75 milliliters of water, how much water should we mix with 1,800 milliliters of sugar? This is an example of direct proportion in practical use. To convert speed from meters per second to kilometers per hour, we use the conversion factor 3.6. This helps us understand the relationship between meters and kilometers. Understanding ratios is crucial. The ratio of nurses to patients in a clinic is 1:8. If there are 72 patients, we calculate how many nurses are needed. To convert minutes to hours, we use the relationship 1 hour equals 60 minutes. This helps us understand time conversion. An odd integer can be represented as 2n plus 1. The square of any odd integer is always odd. Let's explore this concept further. What is the square of 11? We calculate this by multiplying 11 by itself to get 121. Which of the following is the square of an odd integer? We need to find a number that is the result of squaring an odd number.